And today on RV Cribs, I'm Val with Val's Review. We're gonna check out the Paradigm 388 SP. I'm gonna show you guys my 3 favorite features. All right, let's go. Number 1, this patio. Now imagine you're having a party. Men could be cooking up a nice little meal, while us ladies can be enjoying a nice little cocktail outside. Not only can you enjoy this patio, but you can carry on those conversations from inside the RV. Now, my second favorite feature of this RV is this kitchen right here. This is where you're gonna have your personal chef make you your favorite dishes. Hey, come over here. I have a little secret to tell you. It is behind this wall of this TV and fireplace, you will find a hidden compartment, and this is where you will hide all the good stuff. I'm Val, and thanks for checking out this RV crib with me. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this RV or other cribs, please check out bluecompassrv.com. I'll see you guys later.
Dreaming of the open road? We've got RV tours, must-know tips, and epic destinations waiting for you. Subscribe to Blue Compass RV and let the adventure begin.